Team on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
Meteorologist Colton Woods outside on the weather deck in Colton. Another nice sunny summer day out there, but we're also looking ahead to tomorrow because we've got the potential for some severe weather. What's going on, Colton?
Yeah, that's right, Elena, especially between the hours of 2 p.m. and 10 p.m. tomorrow. We do have a 13 weather impact alert in effect because of the possibility of seeing some strong to severe storms, mostly in the way of damaging winds, but all threats are on the table, including large hail and even tornadoes as well. Your 13 weather ball, though, is solid, is blinking red. We do have warmer temperatures ahead. We'll be well into the 80s today and also on the humid side, so definitely get used to the humidity because we will be seeing that over at least the next week. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. What's ahead? Today we could see a few isolated thunderstorms. Most of us will stay dry and partly cloudy though today, and then a few more of us could see some isolated storms tonight. Better chances of storms tomorrow, including the risk of severe weather as well, and it will be very warm and humid over the coming days. Also, live look right now in Muskegon, a pretty warm day all across the area, seeing mostly sunny skies along the lakeshore, but notice the temperature. It's already 78 right now in Muskegon with a slight breeze as well, keeping us on the mild side. Right now we're sitting at 82 in Grand Rapids and Ionia, 81 in Kalamazoo, and even in the low 80s in Holland and South Haven. Everyone today likely warming up well into the 80s, so a very warm and humid day is expected. Dew points on the high side right now, almost 70 degrees. It is 70 degrees in Three Rivers. This is very muggy. Whenever we have dew points over 60, that's when it starts to feel humid. And when they approach 70, that's when it gets pretty muggy out there. And that will continue all day long today. The dew points at least well into the 60s, if not maybe touching 70 at times. So we're likely going to deal with this humidity over the next week or so. Hour by hour, you can see we'll likely be dealing with partly cloudy skies for the most part through this afternoon, with temperatures warming up into the mid 80s for the most part. But notice once we get past 9 p.m. or so, we do have a slight chance of some storms, most of that being isolated, and most of us will not see storm activity tonight. But tomorrow, most of us will be seeing storms and possibly the risk of severe weather. That's why we have a 13 weather impact alert in effect from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. tomorrow afternoon for the possibility of severe storms, and all threats are on the table, mostly damaging winds and also possibly some tornadoes and large hail. So make sure you're staying weather aware, especially during the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. Right now, though, we're just seeing dry skies for the most part, more sunshine along the lake where it's a little bit more stable. But you can see some cumulus clouds developing further inland along US 131. We do have a cold front just to the north of us, and that cold front could allow for a few showers and storms to develop later today and also overnight tonight, but most of us will be staying dry. Tracking that out hour by hour, this is 6 p.m. You can notice still a lot of sunshine across West Michigan, but a few of us could be seeing a stray shower or storm. And then once we get to tomorrow morning, a warm front lifts through, popping up more showers and storms. Some of those could be on the strong side, but we're not expecting severe weather in the morning hours tomorrow, but that will rapidly change most likely going into the afternoon and evening. This is 3 p.m. I have noticed that the models are trending a little bit earlier with the storm activity, and if this does come to fruition, this would be damaging winds most likely across West Michigan, even embedded tornadoes possibly as these storms quickly move through. And by 11 p.m., we'll just be seeing leftover rain showers as it quickly moves out of the area. But your severe weather risk does include an enhanced risk south of Grand Rapids. The greatest risk right now is damaging winds between 2 and 10 p.m., possibly some tornadoes and hail as well. But along the lakeshore today, it will be a mild day. Temperatures generally in the 80s, even further inland. Your 13 on your side 7-day forecast shows that 13 weather impact alert in effect for Wednesday, possibly some more storms on Friday, but next week it is all about the heat and humidity.